Hi Fauhow, in this video I'm going to show you how to change YouTube profile picture on iPhone. This tutorial is very useful for you who want to change your YouTube channel profile picture on your iPhone. For the first, make sure that your phone has been connected to the internet. Once your phone has been connected to the internet, let's start the tutorial. There are two options to change your YouTube profile picture. The first is by using YouTube app. The second is by using browser. Okay, if you have YouTube app, you can use YouTube app. Just open your YouTube app. After opening your YouTube app, you can see that on the top right corner there is your profile picture. Just tap this icon. And then here there are some options, and then you can just tap your channel. After opening your YouTube channel, you can see there are some options: manage videos, graphic icon, and also pencil icon. Just tap the pencil icon. After opening this, you can see here channel settings. In channel settings, you can change your profile picture, your YouTube banner, your YouTube channel name, and also your YouTube description. To change your YouTube profile picture, you can just tap the camera icon in front of your YouTube profile picture. Update photo. There are some options here. You can take a photo and also choose from your photos. I'll choose from my photos. And then here you can choose the profile picture you want to use. After choosing the profile picture, and then you can just tap save. This is the first option to change your YouTube profile picture by using YouTube app. For the second, let's change YouTube profile picture by using browser. If you don't have any YouTube app, you can use any browser like Safari, Chrome, Opera, and also Mozilla Firefox. Here I'm using iPhone, so I will use Safari. But don't worry, this tutorial works on iPhone and also Android. Okay, just open your browser. After opening your browser, you can just tap the search bar. And then you can just type studio.youtube.com. Then you can just tap go. After opening your YouTube studio, you can see that on the left side there are some options. You can just tap customization. Channel customization. In the channel customization, there are some options given: layout, branding, and also basic info. Just tap branding. Here in branding, you can change your YouTube profile picture and also your YouTube banner image. It's recommended to use a picture that's at least 98 times 98 pixels and 4 megabytes or less. Use a PNG or zip file with no animations. Make sure your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. Okay, to change your profile picture, you can just tap change. You can see there are some options. You can choose the photo from photo library, and also you can take photo, and also you can choose file from your file manager. I will choose from photo library. Here you can choose the profile picture you want to use. For example, I want to use this. Okay, I will choose this, and then I will customize. Okay, after customizing this, you can just tap done. And after editing your profile picture, you can just tap publish. Yeah, my profile picture has been changed. That is the second way to change your YouTube profile picture. I hope this tutorial is very useful for you and helping you in changing your YouTube profile picture on iPhone and also Android. Make sure that you subscribe to Fauhow channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you will be the first person I notify when I upload the latest video about digital tutorial. Thank you.